An object is moving along the x-axis with position x given as a function of time t, defined by the equation x of t equal to 2t cubed minus 3t squared minus 8t minus 3. Which of the following equations indicates how to determine the object's velocity v as a function of t? You should pause now and try to get the answer on your own. If there is one thing that we must keep in mind, is that the velocity as a function of time is the derivative of the position relative to time, which, of course, means the derivative with respect to time of the function 2t cubed minus 3t squared minus 8t minus 3. Now, consider the fact that they're not asking you to find at what time this velocity is equal to 0. They are just asking you for the function of velocity. Therefore, it shouldn't be option A. It should be option B. Thank you for watching. See you next time.